Guys, this is our puppy. Her name is Caprice and her mother is July. And she was born on November, but we named her Caprice because November is an inappropriate name. Not inappropriate, but it's not bagay to name this. She's a copycat of her mother. Look, Caprice. Say hi, Caprice. So, hi guys, my name. Istorya po ba? Hi guys, my name is Caprice. November, December, and I am 2 months old. She's 2 months old. Very humot. Ah! Dilo, pa-music lo kay masayaw mi. Dili ba? Sige na, Bobby. Please. Big ka. Big ka. Big ka. Big ka. Spencer Pika. True. Manggigil na ba dyan kong itoy? Kung iring. Kung Caprice. Our mother named her Caprice because our mother is a big fan of PBB. Caprice Cayetano. So, she named this Caprice. Ay, good patakag ingon lo ba? Magbagsin baguguming ani nga. It's so very olaw. Shan. Na-shy po ako. Ako ay na-shy.
Ano pa sa'yo si Caprice?
Sige, bigay. Ano na? Very cool. Kaya ako. Kap! Di man may kabalo ano eh. Saan mo na? Balik. Pa-shake ang head. Sige, bahala na ka. We bought this on Nuvo last Saturday. Di kabalo mo pala ako gulo. So, bye guys!